Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you are doing good. Welcome to the new video. Today we are going to see some beautiful kitchens and you will love them. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching the video, please like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel as it helped me to make more videos. These kitchen designs are very beautiful. The kitchen design is very stunning. The kitchen design is very awesome. The kitchen is very cool. The kitchen color is very amazing. The kitchen tile design are very amazing and beautiful. The kitchen cabinet is very nice. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. The kitchen is very amazing and beautiful. The kitchen is very stunning. Black color kitchen is very nice. The kitchen oven is very amazing and beautiful. The golden color kitchen is very nice. Black color kitchen is very nice and beautiful. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. The kitchen cabin is very beautiful and nice. The kitchen chair is very amazing and beautiful. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. The kitchen is very beautiful and big kitchen. The kitchen design is very beautiful. Luxury can be described as a state of great comfort and elegance. If you are watching the video, please like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel as it helps me to make more videos. The black kitchen is very nice and amazing. The white color is very beautiful. The brown color kitchen cabin is very nice and amazing. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and subscribe to channel. Also tell me in comments what type of more videos you want. That it for today. I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.